Today, there's very limited number of freehold townhouses in Markham and Richmond Hill for sale. But I am bringing you one of my own listings, a wonderful freehold townhouse in the core of Markham, Markville community. We are very close to the CF Markville Mall and at walking distance of Markville Secondary School, ranked number 2 across the whole province of Ontario. The seller is a retired senior who plans to live with his daughter. This property has the largest lot of this neighborhood. The seller is the first-hand owner and maintained the property really well along the years. This property is for bidding on January 25th. So if you are interested, contact me or ask your agent to book for showing. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's look at the neighborhood. We can see that every 3 to 4 units form a block. This community is very mature. Look at the height of these trees. This is our property, 186 Sunway Square. It's a corner unit. So although this is a townhouse, it feels more like a semi-detached house. Let's head toward the entrance. There is a storm door where we can leave our coats and boots. So in wintertime, this is really convenient. Let's get inside the house. On my left is a closet. I don't open it. Then going forward, we have the basement on the left and the garage door on the right. These are the stairs going to the bedrooms. On the right, we have the dining room with a chandelier, and at the opposite, we have the living room. This is the family room. It's a pretty big area where we can relax in front of the fireplace and watch TV. A wall with a window separates the family room and the kitchen. 3 sides countertop connected to the breakfast area. Let's have a look from here. This townhouse is big. It's over 1,880 square feet, almost 1,900 square feet. It's plenty for a family of 3 or 4 members. The backyard is also very big. We can see the entrance from here. Let's go to the second floor. There are 3 bedrooms. We will start with the master bedroom. The area is used as an office, a study room. Then we can see this is very large for a bedroom. Size-wise, it can be compared to even some detached or semi-detached houses. We have a walk-in closet and the washroom. This washroom is also very big, but we can see the renovation is from old days. Let's have a last look at the master bedroom. We have the shared washroom with a separate bathtub and toilet. There is also a window in the washroom. This is the second bedroom. It's about 130, 140 square feet with a closet behind the door. The third bedroom is about 200 square feet. All the furniture except couple items will stay in the house. So it's a very good investment if you plan to rent this place out. Hi Paul, you are the owner of this wonderful house. How long have you been living in this house?
Well, I've been living here for, say, over 22 years now. The neighborhood is very nice people. I mean, they are very caring and no problem whatsoever. And the schooling is top. I mean,
Markville High School,
yeah,
right?
And
it's one of the best.
Number two in all of Ontario.
And the living here is convenient?
Oh yeah, living here. Well, I think you cannot find another place as good as this. I can go to the nice restaurant walking within 5 minutes. The Walmart is just across the street.
Yeah, Walmart and also CF Markville Mall. That's
and
fantastic.
Besides, the GO train stops here.
Oh,
and
okay.
Then if anyone who have to go downtown to work, you will find out this is a wonderful place.
This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.